friends! How are you? Yes, I am here with my friend the rabbit. Do you remember? After the forest with the talking flowers, we've just come to his house. But I think it's a very special house. I'm super excited. Let's open the door. Oh, wow! What a strange room. Look, everything's super weird. There's a couch on the ceiling. And what's that? A window on the floor? I don't understand. These cupboards are so tiny. What a strange house, Rabbit. Hey, Rabbit! Rabbit, where are you going? Hey, don't leave me here. Oh. He left me a message. To go to the next room, you must complete the test. I'll show you sentences missing a word, and you have to choose the correct one. But be careful. If you make a mistake, the word will become very big and will flood the entire room. What? Will flood the entire room with water? I'm a bit worried, but I will try. I'll do my best. Come on, here we go. I'm ready. Okay, the first sentence. I blank my teeth before breakfast every day. Okay, and what are the options? I brush or I brushes. What do you think, guys? I brush my teeth before breakfast every day, or I brushes my teeth? Which one is the correct one? Do you remember? I think I do. It's I brush. I brush my teeth. Yes, that is the choice I made. Oh, look how big it comes and it fits perfectly. But the other one, yes, it's getting smaller and smaller and smaller. Phew! Okay, I did it. Let's move into the second test. Hey, and look at the door, it's lighting up. Yeah, I think it's telling me that I can do this. The second sentence says, she blank her teeth before breakfast every day. And again, the options are the same. She brush or she brushes. Which one is the correct one now? She brush her teeth or she brushes her teeth? I think I know. I think I know. Yes. If we picked I brush before, now I'm going to try with she brushes. Yes! Yay! Look, it gets bigger and it fits perfectly. And the other one, becomes very small. Remember, when we use she or he, it's super important to add an S or an ES after the verb in a present simple form. Great, let's move into one more challenge. Look next to the door, there's a key. Great, yes, I'm almost there. Okay, I blank fruits for breakfast. Okay, and the options, I eat or I eats. I eat fruits or I eats fruits. Which is the right one? Can you see? Yes, if the personal pronoun is I don't need the ES after the verb, so I'm going to choose I eat. Hey, no, I said I eat. I didn't say eat. Oh no, look how much water. No, what happened? Okay, one more challenge and see if I can fix this situation. All right, let's read carefully. She blank fruits for breakfast. And the options again are eat and eats. I know it for sure. Yes, with I is I eat. I'm convinced. And with she is she eats. She eats. Yes, now. And again, the water is disappearing. Phew! Thank you. And look at the door. It's getting open. Let me go.
Compra nuestros cuadernos y aprende desde donde quieras. Tienes un método súper intuitivo y fácil público en nuestra web. Solo tienes que seguir el orden de las imágenes, ver nuestros vídeos donde jugamos con gramática y sobre todo hacer las actividades con nuestro equipo. De esta manera, tus hijos nunca más harán los deberes solo y sobre todo aseguras que aprenden gramática de una manera natural, la mejor manera de practicar inglés desde casa.
Hello, little ones. Again here, working with the present simple. Activity number 2. Choose the water drop verb for each sentence. Okay. I fruit for breakfast every day. I eat, I goes, I plays, I run. It's I eat for sure. I eat, and I'm going to make a big E, a big A, and a big T. And now with this beautiful purple, I'm going to place it over or inside. Great. Finish it like that. I eat. Okay, well done. Then let's go for the number 2. We, and it is no longer available. We goes to catch the ice cream truck. We plays to catch the ice cream truck. We run to catch the ice cream truck. If we are catching, means we are running after. So it's run. Run is here. We run. We run. And this time I'll do these 2 keys. We run, and we do cross it here. Then let's go for the cat. The cat goes with a ball of yarn or plays. The cat plays for sure. The cat is an animal, so the cat is it. It plays, and we need the S. The cat plays. The cat plays. Plays with the ball. Okay, and now I'll do red. Well done. I'll do the red, okay? Great. The cat plays. Great. With a ball of yarn. And finally, I need to cross. And the last one, of course, is goes. She goes to bed early at night. She goes to bed. And I'll do orange. She goes to bed. And I cross it out this way. Well done, guys. Remember, when we use he, she, or it, we need the S, okay? Yes or ES. But if we have we, I, you, they, we don't put the S or the ES after. Goodbye.